Hey, how are you? Welcome back. It's Halloween time. Can you guess these spooky characters in our crossword challenge? Let's find out. Number one, who is this spooky character? Can you name this? Yes, it's a ghost. Look at the example. The ghost lives in a haunted house. Now, move to number two. The person wears a big black hat and flies on a broomstick at night. Who is it? Perfect. She's a witch. And look at the example. We read it together. The witch flies across the moon with the broomstick. Let's see number three. What's this creature? It moves slowly, it has a pale skin and comes back from the dead. Can you tell me what it is? That's right. It's a zombie. Let's read it in an example. The people in the horror movies run away from the zombies. Or the next example, the zombie is walking slowly in the dark forest. Let's go to number four. It has sharp teeth, big eyes, and very strange powers. What do you think it is? Very good. We have found a monster. Let's see the example. People are afraid of the monster in the mountain. Or we could say, in some stories, monsters are friendly too. All right, let's move to number five. The character comes out only at night and it disappears when the sun rises during the day. It has sharp teeth and it loves blood. Can you tell me what it is? Yes, that's right. It's a vampire. The vampire sleeps in a coffin during the day and wakes up at night. Let's go to number six. What is it? The creature is dead and wrapped in white cloth. People can see it in old Egyptian tombs or museums. What is it? Of course, it's true. A mummy. Let's see the example. The children saw a mummy in the museum and felt a little scared. Finally, let's go to number seven. This character has no skins or muscles. Could you tell me what it is? Definitely true. It's a skeleton. Very good. Let's see it in a sentence. The skeleton dances at Halloween night. And this one, it is not in our crossword. And Halloween is nothing without this. It's round, orange. Can you guess what it is? Write the name in the comments for me. I can't wait to see your answers. Thank you so much for playing this Halloween crossword challenge with me today. If you want to keep learning English with fun games, head over to my website. Everyone can have their first free lesson here. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and ring the bell to see next movies. See you next time.